Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got a brand new radio to show you. Let me tell you the little history on this radio. Several months ago, I saw this radio on Amazon. It's from PRUNUS. It's a model J-525, and I really thought that, hey, that looks pretty interesting. So I contacted PRUNUS and asked them if they would send me one for a review. And they immediately replied, it's so popular, we're short of stock. So we can't send you one right now, but as soon as we get it back in stock, we will send you one, which they did. A couple of days ago it arrived, and I want to thank them for sending me this radio. And it's AM and FM. It is an MP3 player, and it has Bluetooth, and get this, it's Bluetooth receive and transmit, which means you can use your cell phone and play through this radio, use it as a speaker amplifier, or you could output from what's playing on the radio to a Bluetooth speaker. That's quite unusual. Especially at this price range. It is on sale right now, and I'm going to get my notes. Stand by. Memory is not so good. It's on sale for $29.99. That's 6% off. Comes with charging cord. It has a built-in battery, not easily removed. It is 2,500 milliamp hours. Little manual, which is quite detailed. I was amazed at how much detail there was in this manual, although it's pretty small print, so I got online to their website and get their file of the manual, and I printed out a couple of pages, and it comes with a carrying strap which attaches to the top. Now, let me show you up close here. Now, with my camera, I can read very easily all the writing on the buttons. In real life, I'm looking at it now, it's difficult. And it's difficult because of the orange on a gray background. That's just me. Now, if I got very bright light, not a problem. And the controls are pretty simple. So once you've used it for a while, you know what they are. So that's a little nit. So there's the controls. Up there is backward, like a track or frequency. Scan mode, which is ATS, automatic tuning and storing. I couldn't find anything that told me what the memory capacity was for storing stations. Then when you got them stored in memory, you can use M minus M plus to go through those stored memory locations. You can tell it to go to your preset memory locations and then move up and down using the arrows. Band select AM and FM. Delete if you want to delete one of your memory channels, in case it was, when it did a scan, it picked up noise. This is controlling the Bluetooth, either transmit or receive. And then this here is mode, either radio mode, and then select AM and FM. Sorry for the movement. Or Bluetooth mode or TF card mode. Pretty good sized display, nice and reflective. You can see me. Another nice thing about it is the screen is amber. The backlight. We turn it on here. Push and hold. You there? Playing music from the YouTube free library. Gives you a lot of information. We turn the volume down. Volume controls are over here. And then we have the TF card slot. And up here we have the charging port. headphone jack if you want to use earbuds or headphones. This is the little place where you put that carrying strap. Goes into there if you want that. The telescopic antenna folds down, but when you want to use it, you have to fold it up. It does rotate or swivel. Let me turn this music down. Nice bright display. However, I have not found any way to change the time, sorry for the shakiness, the time that the display is backlit. I love radios that you can, as an option, turn the backlight on permanently, especially when you're learning how to use a radio when you're kind of in a dim room. All right. I did a scan of AM. It only got about 20 stations. Maximum is, in my location, about 30, 35. So that's not too bad. FM, it got over 30 stations. Maximum is about 43. So it did good on reception. The telescopic antenna is about 15 inches. Pretty nice. And you got a lot of information. Let me push volume so you can have backlight on. Let me, come on. A lot of information on the screen. Tells you it's in music mode, MP3 player, the track you're on and how many tracks there are, 62. And the backlight will knock that off. See, that's why I like to have the backlight stay on. I realize it drains the battery. Tells you what mode you're in for, sorry for the shakiness, for the playing MP3 players. This is auto repeat. Let me do something here. Oops, sorry for all this shakiness. Let me temporarily use this little stand, and that will force me, and then I'll move the camera up. That will force me to kind of hold it a little steadier. And then come on, backlight, come back. Okay, up here it tells you the audio mode. It's got like 5 or 6 different audio modes, like classic, rock, popular. Yeah, I noticed a little adjustment on each mode, but not significant. I like classic. It gives you the most fidelity, I think. And then up here in this corner is the status of the battery. Shows you a battery and it fills it in as it's charged. On the, oh, I wish that backlight would stay on. Okay, this shows you how long the particular audio you're listening to is, and then where it is in seconds into the video. Audio, gosh. This backlight's driving me nuts. And then the title, the name of the file of the audio that's playing. That's a bit of information there. We can do a quick scan on AM and FM. Okay, we're on AM. Let's go to FM. I'll keep the volume down so we don't hit any music. And I'll extend the antenna. And it didn't take very long to do a scan, so we'll do a ATS. Push and hold here. I say push and hold. What am I doing wrong here? Come on, Tom. There you go. I was pushing like 3 buttons at one time. So there goes scanning now. And then it shows you the channel number up here until the backlight goes off. I guess with my camera, you can see the screen pretty good without the backlight. And you can see me in the reflection. Like I say, I don't see anything in the manual that tells me how many memory locations it has for storing stations. It's not very heavy. It's very light, matter of fact, and fits in your palm of your hand very well. Or even fit in your shirt pocket, for that matter. Okay, it's almost there. It's 102 megahertz, and I'm shaking. I'm sorry. It's an odd position I'm in behind the camera. Okay, come on, finish up. And it's on 29. It's found 29 signals, 30 signals. It found 30 signals, most of which are stations. I can turn the volume back up, carefully watching for music. A little bit of static there. Now we use a M plus and minus.
Films are famous for centering women.
That's the station in Tampa.
Great into
Lord, it is darkness. Galaxy fireworks. Galaxy five, babe. Tell top.
the decision.
Well, it did a good job.
To help us.
Of the Weinstein case affair.
And also there's an indication here
but it was
of
a very interesting moment,
the band,
thrilling
FM,
moment,
and
the momentum
if it's
was
receiving
to
a
use
stereo
this crisis
broadcast.
to do something.
That's the
And we
ST.
decided, like, collectively with a bunch of friends from
Pretty nice.
the sector, from the industry.
I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me this. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I don't know what went wrong, but the previous video I did, which is a video on a website that has radio listings, tanked. I don't know why. It's only gotten like 50 views, and I'm like, is YouTube broke, or are they banning me, or what? I don't know what that was about, but I'm hoping this one would. I usually get within 24 hours in my little channel, I get about 250, 300 views in the first 24 hours. I already got 50. I'm like, what is broken? So hopefully I'll do a little better on this one. And if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And most of all, have a great day. Bye-bye.